my name is Grace, and for my March monthly passion project, I'll be showing you how to make a Oreo Boba milkshake. So the ingredients you will need are Oreos. It doesn't matter what size. 1 cup of milk. Some tapioca pearls, also known as Boba. Some whipping cream. And syrup. That's it. So first, you want to boil your water for 2 to 3 minutes and then put in your pearls. Now that the water is boiled, you can put in your pearls. When the pearls rise up, you can take them out. Then pour in your 1 cup of milk. And then put in your Oreos and then blend them. So after you have blended your Oreos, put them in a cup. Then put in your pearls.
이렇게.
Put in your whipping cream. Finally, top it with any syrup you desire. Enjoy your milkshake!